الرحيم وأفضل الصلاة وأتم التسليم على سيدنا محمد خاتم المرسلين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome everybody. This is part 2 for the inheritance of the true grandfather. So as we know, there is several cases for true grandfather. We will cover these cases with example. Let's take the first example. A person by the name of Jasim died and left a wife, a father's father, and a son. So now the wife will take 1/8. You will learn this in the future lesson, that the wife will take 1/8 if there is descendant to the dead person. The true grandfather, father's father, will take 1/6, and the son will take the residue R. So now 8 and 6 are in the question. So the problem number is 24. That can be divided on 8 and 6 without remaining. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. 24 divided by 8 is 3. This is the share of the wife. And by 6 is 4. This is the share of the true grandfather. And the remaining is 17. It goes to the son. Now, take another example. A person died and left son's son and true grandfather, father's father. So the father's father will take 1/6 also, because there is a male descendant to the dead person. And the son's son will become the residue or asaba. So the problem number is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. This goes to the true grandfather, and the remaining goes to the sons. Now let's take another example for case of female. So let's say the person died and left a wife and true grandfather, father's father, and son's daughter. So the wife will take 1/8, and the true grandfather now will take 1/6 plus the residue, because there is no son, there is a son's daughters. So the daughters, because it's alone, will take half. Now we have half and 6 and 1/8. So the problem dividable number is 24. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Now 24 divided by 6 is 4. As heard, goes to the true grandfather. 24 divided by 2 is 12, goes to the son's daughter. And the remaining, so if we say 24 minus 3 minus 4 minus 12 is 5, goes to the asaba, which goes to the father's father. So true grandfather here take the share 6 plus R, because there is no son, there is a female descendant. Let's take another example. Let's say the person died and left a wife and true grandfather, father's father only. So the wife will take 1/4 quarter, because there is no descendant. You will learn this in the future, as we say. And the father will take the residue R. So the problem number is 4. 1 goes to the wife, and the remaining, which is 3, goes to the true grandfather. Let's take another example. A person died and left a wife, father, and son, and father's father. Now the wife will take 1/8 because there is a son, and the father will take 1/6 because there is a son. The son will become the residue R. The father will have X for excluded. That means it's being not getting a share because of the father is excluded by the father. So now the problem number is 24, can be divided on 8 and 6. So 24 divided by 8 is 3, 24 divided by 6 is 4, and the remaining goes to the son, and nothing goes to the true grandfather, as is he being excluded from getting any share because there is a father. Let's take the final example. the dead person left a father, and son, and father. That means two grandfather, one is close, one is further. So the close one will take 1/6, and the son will take the remaining or residue or asaba, and the further true grandfather will be excluded by the close grandfather. So we'll take X. So the problem is from 6. So 1 goes to the close grandfather, the remaining goes to the son, 5, and nothing goes to the further true grandfather. And these the cases for true grandfather. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.